And we are very proud to have you as a part of Project Amplify, a partnership between Microsoft and Accenture.
Ganesh, when we think about India, 54% of the country is extremely water stressed.
Is it because that people are just overusing water, or is it just ignorance that people are not able to detect leakages or wastage or overuse of water? So what's the root cause of this as far as what you've seen?
What was big challenge our country was facing is water crisis.
We believe that there is already an awareness that water is not going to be available as it used to be, and climate change is only increasing the crisis more. It is said that if climate change is the shark, water is its teeth. More than 50% of water meant for human use goes to industries. Though there is already a significant need for water management for industries. In fact, the maintenance head have to be there at night 2 o'clock to make sure the water is available and water is managed. If there's no water, they immediately call tankers and buy it at a very high price.
It goes without saying, if you don't measure, you can't manage. There's no real accountability of it. This is coming at the cost of stripping somebody else's right to water. And then I thought, what should I do? What is that small enough to do, big enough to matter to solve water crisis? The solution to the water crisis is becoming water positive. What do you mean by becoming water positive? Basically, becoming water positive is having enough water that you don't have to take from somebody else. Actually, the solution to water is in water itself.
Cost of recycling of water is many times 3 times the cost of water. So if you save 10 kiloliter of water, you're effectively saving the cost of up to 40 kiloliter of water. Where we decided, why don't we actually help industries save their water expenditure, reduce their water usage? Because industries also have a very strict environmental compliance. This is exactly what FluxGen helps industries do.
So what we do is, just like how water as a liquid is transparent and clear, what if you make the data of water transparent and clear? We decided to digitize water. We developed this hardware, which is an IoT hardware, which will take data from all possible sensors that are able to monitor water flow, water level, water pressure, energy consumed by water infrastructure, and water quality of the treatment plant, and digitize and put it to a secure cloud and generate insights using machine learning algorithms to find out leakage, wastage, excessive usage, to reduce water consumption by up to 30%. What would take days together to find out leakage, wastage, or months together, they were able to get the notification in less than 10 minutes, and they were able to identify, quickly fix it in less than half an hour. We are fortunate to get some of the best people in this industry to use our solution.
For example, the Winner Dairy in Puducherry has cut down their water consumption by 30,000 liters a day in just few months.
This is Praveen Patil, the head for sustainability for Apple India Private Limited. We're happy to say that we have put a piezometer, a digital telemeter, where we can monitor our ground level also. So we are done right now for two of our sites. So we would like to carry in future also with FluxGen, whatever we are doing on the unpaid activities.
एक स्टार्टअप है FluxGen। ये स्टार्टअप IoT एनेबल्ड तकनीक के जरिए वाटर मैनेजमेंट के विकल्प देता है।
We believe in a couple of years we should be able to expand our operations in some of this very water stressed area to ensure that they would not have to face the crisis so hard.
I read modern history. I saw colonialism and war because of land acquisition. My son, who's a 3-year-old, when he reads modern history, he will see how oil was a reason for war, like Iraq, Iran, Kuwait. And if hypothetically, if I have a granddaughter, she should not be reading the history which says violence and war because of water. And we can actually reverse it if we become water positive.